Hi everybody, my name is Tom Solid. I'm the founder of the Paperless movement and this is the new iPad Pro 2018. I don't make a big unboxing video here because if you follow me on Instagram, you saw already that I bought this and that I unpacked it, and here it is, the new iPad 2018. And I will just dive into it, why this video is really important. I won't tell you the specs. I will tell you anything tech-like or something like that, because there are loads of videos out there doing this. The only most important thing if you want to buy an iPad Pro, you have to consider to get the right screen protector. What this means is just look at the screen. I don't know if you see it already here, but I will, just let's take the live cam, which is my iPhone, and I hope I can see. Oh God, yeah, you can see it here. So just look at this. I think I used it 1 hour just to set it up and install the first apps, and it looked like this. I mean, it really looks extreme on the video here now when I look at this. It's not as extreme if you look here, but still, you touch it and you have a fingerprint on it, and it just looks like a mess. Obviously, as soon as it's switched on, it's getting better, but even then, you see all the fingerprints and the smear and the, yeah. Okay, so what I want to tell you here is get a Paperless screen protector, or at least a matte screen protector. This is the Paperless screen protector I have on my old iPad, and I tell you, I have this screen protector on my iPad Pro 2017 since February 2018. This year I put this on in February. To prove this, I will clean the iPad now, and let's check again. It's not even easy. So if your Paperless gets dirty, all you need to do is just use some tissue and some water and go over it. It will not only clean it, it will recover the resistance, okay? Because it's not only the fingerprints. That's not the reason why you want to get, or not the most important reason why you want to get a Paperless screen protector. No, it is the resistance that you get on your Apple Pencil. That's the reason why it's called Paperless, because it actually feels and it even sounds like paper. I made a video about this already, showing you this in detail. And luckily you can pre-order the Paperless for the new iPad Pro already. And as I said, you can buy a cheap one as well, but watch my video and you will understand. I tested all the cheap ones against the Paperless. And if you tested the Paperless, if you have it on your iPad, go in the comments below and let people know that I'm not, trying to sell something. It is just such a difference. Okay, there we go. It's clean. Oh, that really looks bad on the iPhone, because you see everything. But I don't want to demonstrate now. I'm just doing a few taps, Yeah, there's not much installed. My main apps, Note 2, Evernote, and so on. That's it, and switch off, and let's see. Do you see this? I mean, you just look at it and it already gets fingerprints. So, in my opinion, this is a no-go. You can't use this, okay? Let's compare it again, and now we do exactly the same. We just touch it. We go around. You see this? You actually see that I'm touching it. I feel a bit like a commercial here, but that's just how it is, okay? I think you need to know this. Obviously, the iPad Pro, the new iPad Pro, is awesome. It is awesome. It feels awesome. If you compare it, the weight, 633. And now let's put on the old one, 688. So it's it's even more than 50 grams. It doesn't sound much, but you actually really feel it, okay? This is the new Apple Pencil. So it is a bit shorter, but more importantly, let's get this balance again. So the old Apple Pencil is 20 grams, okay? And the new one is only 18 grams. That surprised me a bit, because if you hold it in a hand, the old one feels much heavier. Well, much heavier, but a lot heavier. But I think you are more sensible to pencils feeling the weight. I'm not sure. Okay, so why is it shorter? Obviously, because you don't need the charger anymore. How this charge now is, and it is actually amazing. Just put it on there and it sticks there. What I can't imagine so far is that people just, I mean, it holds very tight, but putting it like this into your backpack, I'm not sure if this is the right way to go. If I take my old case out, where this was in, my old iPad was in there. So this one, I showed you this in another video as well. Obviously I will do an accessory video for the new iPad Pro as well at some point, but just want to point out, the Apple Pencil couldn't be attached to the old iPad Pro, so I bought this one, where you securely had your Apple Pencil, and due to the holes it was easy to take it out. I love it. I love it that it is on there. I just take it off and so on. So I can imagine like having the keyboard standing like this. You want to type something, you type something, then you want to draw something, you just take it off and then you put it back on, and it's done, it's connected, it is always charged. This is awesome. But putting it in the backpack, I think it will get off and, you know, lying around. I think the Apple Pencil is quite stable, but yeah, it's up to you, obviously. So one more thing, I think, and that's why actually I really like Apple, okay? You pay loads of money and they charge you even more each time they bring something out. However, you just see that there is so much thinking in these products, okay? So much brainstorming and, you know, finding the right capture. And I can imagine, you know, these Apple employees staying in there, okay, we have to optimize our Apple Pencil. So what was the thing people were complaining about? Oh yeah, when you lie it down, it is rolling. It is rolling all the time. Okay, how can we stop the rolling? Maybe we just make one side flat. Oh great, yeah. Or the other way around. They thought, okay, people have been asking, why is there no magnets where we can just put the Apple Pencil on and it sticks there? Why isn't there? Okay, let's do this. It's not stable enough. It's not stable enough. Let's just make one side flat and we put it in there. Oh yeah. And the other guy says, oh yeah. Then it even doesn't roll away. Okay, so you have two requests catched with one. And then the other thing, it is amazing. I mean, it's really an improvement, because this putting it in here and running around like this, it was just not acceptable. Okay, and if you had to charge it, you put it in there, it was just, and these workarounds with the cables and so on, it's just stupid. So now again, it is charging, just putting it on there. That's awesome. Okay, everybody, obviously I didn't talk about the apps, and especially in this channel, you know, I talked so much about note-taking apps on the iPad Pro. Obviously I have to make a video about the new best note-taking app for the iPad Pro 2018. Which one should you use? And I will provide you this video very soon. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to ring the bell on the subscribe button so you will be informed once this video is out.